Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy crypto on the Binance mobile app with your debit or credit card. Our first step is going to be opening up Binance. And once you've opened up Binance, you simply head over to the deposit section, seeing as that's where we can purchase with our MasterCard or our Visa card. You simply click on buy with NGN or whatever your local currency might be. Once you've clicked on that, you select the currency you want to deposit in. Mine would be USD. So you scroll down and you find USD. You click on USD, and I'll be exchanging my USD for I want some Ethereum. So we'll be going for USD for Ethereum. I want to deposit $100 worth of $100 for Ethereum for approximately 0.055 Ethereum. I simply click on buy Ethereum, and I'm going to be paying via my Visa or MasterCard, and you get I think about a minute to get the payments done. Once you've put in your card number and the expiration date and the address and the rest of that stuff, you simply click on confirm, and your USD would be taken from your account and deposited as Ethereum on your Binance mobile app. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can use your debit or credit card to purchase crypto on the Binance space, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.